Use that cream one time, but the cream now is all the way over here, almost toward the end of the work. So we are going to do that same twisting motion, bringing it all the way in behind until we need to use it again. 1, 2, here's my cream. I'm just going to twist it. I want it in behind. Nope, I don't. See, sometimes it just takes a couple things. You need to just see where you're at. So I have to go on top. 2, twist my cream so it's in behind. Now my base color is going to come up through this cream loop. So that's 4. And I want to twist one more time. I think I'm going this way. So I'm just twisting. And it takes it, I don't have like a tried and true method. I just want to see what I'm doing and make sure that I'm getting those twists so that I'm bringing that yarn around. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops in my base color. I'm just going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I need to do a cream. But I'm not just going to bring up my cream. I got to twist that base color along with it to make sure that, see, I got to figure this out as I go along. I'm never exactly sure. There we go. I've got my twist. And now I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring my cream along for a few more stitches because I want to make sure that it is secure. So even though my next loop is base color, I'm still going to twist that cream. Oops, I almost picked up the wrong one. In behind, probably just do 1. That's probably good. So now I can drop my cream, but I'm a little bit tangled. So let's just untangle that. And now I'm going to just do my base color all the way to the end of the row. All right, I've done my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Now this next one is a cream, but you still want to make sure that you are twisting the base color around it so that you're bringing it along. There's only 1 cream on this row, so there is my cream. And now I'm going to continue in my base color. Again, make sure you're twisting that cream along so that it just loops in nicely. And I don't like how that loop went. So as you see, this isn't a tried and true method for me anyway. I still have to practice this. I've only done it a couple of times. There we go. So I'm not going to do my cream anymore. As you can see, I've got a bit of a tangle here. So I'm just going to untangle it. And I'm going to do my base color to the end. The next few rows, so rows 6 and 7 are exactly the same, but you just have to remember which direction you're coming from. So I'm going to do rows 6 and 7 off camera. I will meet you back at row 8 where we're doing the top of the eye. I'm now going to do row 8. I'm going from left to right, and I'm going to do that top of the eye. As I'm working on this, I'm realizing that if this was really a blanket I was working on, this eye was going to be kind of stubby, that middle post, and I would probably add an extra length in the middle, but this is just a sample, so I'm going to keep on going. So again, I'm going from left to right. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 in my background color. Then I'm going to swap to the cream, and I'm going to finish off that row. Always remember twisting the 2 colors behind your work as you go along. It's time to start our cream. Remember, we want to carry the base color in behind. We want to trap it so that all our stitches stay tight and it ends up at the proper side, which is at this one, the right side of our work. So twisting, going the wrong way. Sometimes it takes a couple tries, and I did that the wrong way. So here's a good example. Now my background color yarn, my base color ended up the loop at the front. So I twisted it the wrong way. So all I'm going to do is take out that loop and put it in behind and try again. Because you always want that yarn to be in back, not in front. So I'm twisting, hoping I'm going the right way. The bigger your loops are, the more possibility you will see that your accent color through. The tighter your loops are, the better chances that you are not going to see that. But there are other little adjustments that you can make that will help with that as well. That'll be a future video. All right, here is that part of my eye, the top part. See here, you can see a little cream through there. And now I'm going to continue just in the base color to the end of this row. And my next row is going to simply be just the base color. So I'll get to the end of that row and then I'm going to talk to you about what to do with these ends. There we have it, just a sample of how to do lettering.